Most people wait until their health breaks before they look for solutions. But some of the strongest protection you can give your body costs less than a cup of coffee, and most people already have it in their kitchen. It's olive oil. Used daily, olive oil doesn't just add flavor. It quietly changes how your body functions, protects itself, and heals over time. Before we go further, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats your body depends on to survive. Every cell in your body is wrapped in fat. When those fats are damaged or missing, communication breaks down. When they're supported, everything works better. One of the biggest changes happens in the heart and blood vessels. The fats in olive oil help keep blood vessels flexible and support smooth circulation. That means oxygen and nutrients reach tissues more efficiently. Olive oil also helps calm chronic, low-grade inflammation, the kind you don't feel immediately, but that slowly drains energy and accelerates aging. When inflammation stays high, the body stays in defense mode. Olive oil helps signal safety. Your digestive system benefits too. Olive oil supports smoother digestion and improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. When absorption improves, your body extracts more value from every meal. The brain is another major beneficiary. Healthy fats help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and support focus, memory, and long-term cognitive health. Blood sugar regulation improves as well. Adding olive oil to meals slows digestion slightly, reducing sharp spikes and crashes that leave you tired and hungry soon after eating. Even your skin reflects what's happening internally. Because olive oil supports cell hydration and protection from the inside out, consistent intake often shows up as healthier, more resilient skin over time. Here's the truth most people miss. Olive oil doesn't work as a quick fix. Its power comes from repetition. Small amounts taken consistently help your body operate in balance day after day. So what happens if you take olive oil every day? Your circulation improves, inflammation calms, digestion becomes more efficient, your brain stays protected, and your body functions with less internal stress. That's not hype, that's biology. If this video helped you see olive oil differently, like the video and subscribe to Eat Well, Thrive Well for more science-based food insights. And tell me in the comments, do you already use olive oil daily or are you thinking of starting? Because the smallest daily habits often make the biggest difference.